Actionable feedback for students is one of the most powerful influences on their achievement. When feedback is actionable, it provides students with a guide to support them to grow towards their goals. Let's take a look at 3 ways teachers use Seesaw to provide actionable feedback to students. The first way to quickly and easily provide feedback in Seesaw is by using the video tool to leave a video of your feedback for students. Teachers use the video tool to leave a comment, model using classroom materials, or reteach a skill. Including a short video for feedback is a powerful way to get students' attention, support growth on a skill, and to personalize the learning. Another fun way to provide feedback in Seesaw is by adding a Bitmoji or digital sticker to student work. Use the voice tool in Seesaw to add audio to your Bitmoji or sticker to give students more specific feedback on their work. Begin by copying a Bitmoji or image you would like to use as a digital sticker, or use a shape already in the Seesaw canvas. If including a Bitmoji, download the Chrome Bitmoji extension to find your Bitmoji first. Paste the Bitmoji or image you want to include directly in your Seesaw student post or activity. To add audio, tap on the 3 dots, select Record Voice, and leave your voice comment. Last, tap the check to add your audio. It's that simple. The third way to provide feedback in Seesaw is to use the microphone to draw and record your feedback right on the student's work. When you tap the microphone, you have access to all of the Seesaw creative tools, allowing you to give and explain feedback in a clear, detailed, and concise manner. Use the drawing tools to annotate or highlight, add a text box to label parts of student work, or use the arrow to point out key parts of the student's response, all while explaining your feedback to students. Providing actionable feedback in Seesaw supports students in meeting their learning goals, extends student thinking by encouraging students to reflect on their work, and builds agency by involving students in the learning process. Your challenge this week is to choose one way to provide feedback to your students. Share the creativity you capture on Twitter using the hashtag SeesawMeAMinute.